Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Flora. In today's video, I was craving for jollof rice, and I'm like, not just any kind of jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice too. I thought, you know what? Let's go to the kitchen and cook jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice for the first time, and let's embarrass ourselves. Let's degrade ourselves together. Like, if you never know if you can do it until you try. So, for what I'm going to be using for my jollof rice, I have my tomato here. I have my tomato here, and then I have my oil. I have my oil. I have my rice spices. I have my onion, garlic, and ginger. I have my turmeric. I have my rice. We only three people in the house. We don't need so much. And then I have my they call it boerewors here. My auntie and my brother they like it. I don't feel like eating it today though. But I'm gonna be eating my jollof rice with fish, like with fried fish. So like yeah, that's exactly what we are going to be using today to cook our jollof rice. That's exactly what we are going to be using today to cook our jollof rice. Here we are, here we are. These are all the things that we are going to be using to cook our jollof rice. So, and of course, I have my pot. I have my pot here. So the first thing that I'm going to do, the first thing that I'm going to do, the first thing that I'm going to do is, remove, clean my garlic and ginger. My bad. Let me cover my face. Like and make somebody do something. So guys, I'm going to finish cleaning the garlic and we'll be right back. So guys, I just finished blending my tomato, onion, garlic, ginger, and tomato basically. I mean, it's the first time that we are doing it. So we don't want to overdo too much so that we don't over embarrass ourselves. So the next thing right now, I'm going to be putting all inside my pot. That I'm using. I'm gonna put all inside my pot and allow the pot to all that I'm using. And yeah. For your mercy never. Yeah, gas gas cooker. If you're not careful, you just mess anyhow. If you just do anyhow, your food is burnt. Not they don't joke with you like mess anyhow you collect. Guys, what do you guys think about my green and my hair? Anyway, so I'm going to allow the pot to heat and be right back. So guys, I'm going to be pouring the mixture of all of it inside the pot. The oil is already heating up. And yeah, let's see what is going to put. Yeah, so what my right now. So the tomato is in fire. Um, let me show you guys how it looks like. How I'm going to allow the tomato to get cooked, and then we right back. So guys, this is how my tomato look like right now. This is how it look like right now. Don't mind that video there. No, this is how my tomato look like right now. I'm gonna allow it to dry up completely, and then I'm going to add my, my turmeric and my rice spices, and then my rice, and then we're going to put a little bit of water, and then we're just going to cover it up, and then I will come and show you guys the result when the rice is done. Well, also going to be preparing the fish, spicing it up with garlic and ginger, like I said, and then yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys all of that when it's done or when I'm about to do it. So guys, please don't go anywhere, and be right back. And I hope I'm doing the right thing. Like if you're a Nigerian person, like a Nigerian babe, man, just correct me in the comment section if I'm doing the right thing. So yeah guys, so see you guys soon when I'm done. This is how my rice look like right now. I just slowed down the fire and I'm cooking it on a slow heat. I hope I'm doing the right thing. So I'm just gonna like cover the pot right now and allow it to be cooked on a slow heat. Like the fire is like really, I don't know if you guys can see it. And then here I am, frying the both of us. I already fried my fish. So yeah, I'm guessing that we're doing the right thing. So yeah, I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm done with everything. And please, from 1 to 10, tell me what you think that I did. Like, just tell me. We'll be right back.